Predator page. This is Alex Lexus, aka the ZX Predator. Couple of updates. I got my 360 camera mounted 3M tape onto the windscreen, and I wanted to actually show y'all some progress that was made. Quick backstory: I was having trouble getting the remote working. I got this kit from Amazon. I don't know if you can see the brand, RF Wireless. It was a set of a pair, one remote, one receiver unit. Initially it wasn't working, so I had to play around with it, and for some reason it's just started working properly. So I wanted to kind of show y'all a couple of the settings. Now with this remote, what you'll see here is you have the power button, you have the brightness level you can control, like up brightness, down brightness, and then the shortcuts: 100%, 50%, 25%. And then you can toggle the modes on here. So with this, and shout out to Herbert Brown and Rui, this is just a demo to kind of show you how this works. So we're going to turn this sucker on, and now it doesn't want to turn on. Oh, you gotta actually point it directly at the damn thing. Alright, so power it on. Alright, we're gonna kind of dim it a little bit, gonna brighten it. Alright, then we're gonna do the 25%, 50%, 100% brightness. Okay, so this thing is like extra sensitive. I might have to put it in such a way where it's like on the outside, so that I can point it at this damn thing. But now we're gonna go into hitting modes. So I'll do flickering mode. Okay, and then you can adjust the speed of it. I think that's what was the issue. I wasn't pointing it directly at the receiver. Then we're gonna change the mode to trying to get it to strobe. We got to blink. Now this is the cool one. Alright, so if you tap the mode button, it'll give you different settings in here. Definitely a bike night thing. If I have it on, I'll probably have it on like in the like solid, but this is pretty cool. And then you can mess with the frequency. That is definitely not gonna go because it'll look like police lights or something. But it has a lot of settings on it, but that's just a proof of concept to kind of show you that this does work, and it's pretty damn cool. Yeah, so I don't want to get too monotonous and redundant with that. So there's just a quick demo, and shout out to Herbert Brown for hooking it up. It works, brother. It's looking good. So I just had to make sure that RF unit is in a place where it can actually receive the signal. So with that, I'm out. The man, the myth, the Predator, hitting you with another video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Zeus.